Welcome again to IFX. I want to show you a very simple entry to follow. Let's take it the IFX block dashboard, M15 reversal block alerts column only. Let's see what you need to look for to make an entry on that time frame only. Now, let's just keep it simple. Enter only at the blocks where price has hit yesterday's high or low. There are a couple of other things you must keep in mind. If you look at the RSI at the bottom, make sure the line is below 60 level to sell and above 40 level to buy. Seriously, this works great. I have noticed when the RSI is outside of those levels, the entry could be risky. Take a look at the top blue reversal block, it has hit yesterday's high, and at the same time the RSI was also below the 60 level. It also gave another entry to buy. What do you notice there on the chart? Here is another reversal block example. Blue reversal block hit yesterday's high, and the RSI was below the 60 level. Amazing! Again, this is the most basic entry you can make, but it works great. Here is another pair, what do you notice there? When price hits those levels, and the block is formed, then take a look at the RSI condition to enter the market. Now, what if price never hits yesterday's high or low? Should you enter? There is a possibility, but this is only if the RSI has been greatly overextended, and then at the time of entry is below 60 and above 40. Again, the pattern always repeats. You just have to be patient to wait for them. Always follow the simple rule and you will start to get awesome results. Let me know what you think. I will keep giving you tips every day. Subscribe to the channel and you will get these awesome lectures every day. Also, like this video, it helps the channel a lot. Thanks. See you on the next lecture. Arya, can you tell me a funny joke?
Why is it impossible to play hide and seek with Pokemon? Because they always Pikachu.